Hi guys, I'm Hitesh. If you are organic marketer, online marketer, not even organic, any marketer, if you are using paid ads for promoting your offers, CPA offers, affiliate offers, and for getting some visitors on your websites, but still, if you are not getting good results just because of don't know which picture and post and photos and videos, whatever you should choose for your offer so that you can get some good engagements, you can get some good results, leads, sales. So just because of this problem, this product stock pulse comes in the picture, and just because of this product, what you are going to get, let me show you. Just because of this, actually in this you are getting some profitable stock pack, okay, with 2000 premium royalty free HD, means high definition plus royalty free some images. Stock pack means it is completed and fulfilled with all videos, pictures, images, GIFs, animations, vectors, audios also, each and everything. So 4K stock videos, images, vectors, animation. I already repeated this. So pocket massive affiliate commission. And how you can do this, because you can see here how essential it is to find perfect footage or image for your next video. Because if you are going for paid ads, so your picture, your creatives should be more attention grabbing, so that you can get some more engagements as well as leads and sales also. Okay, so on your post, ad, blog, or website, whatever, but not having the right footage or image can ruin your campaign, and which may even lead to huge losses. Okay, so just because of convert your huge losses, just to convert your huge losses into the profit, this product comes in, which is stock pulse. Okay, just because of this, you will be able to choose a right image, videos, audios, creatives, whatever, for paid ads, for organic post, for organic marketing, and whatever for thumbnails. Just because of choosing right things, you can increase your profits. And also, already actually you are going to get all these things inside this stock pulse, which will be already tested. This is the product, okay, stock pulse. This all things are already tested and proven to convert with cold ads. Okay, generally hot and warms are too much easy to convert, but in this industry we work generally on colds. Okay, actually we don't know each and everyone. Okay, so it's not possible for us. Everyone become our hot and warm. So just because of that, this proven and already tested with cold ads. Okay, so that it make a killing promoting to your subscribers, guaranteed reciprocation, so you get multiply your results over this much of dollars in commissions already generated for partners, over this much dollars in launch revenue, 15 plus six figure launches and all. Actually don't take it easy and all. Okay, you can't even imagine which level and which type and which quality of this all things you are getting. I'm talking about files means what? Files means all these things. Okay, premium royalty free HD plus 4K stock videos, images, vectors, animation, GIFs, audios, tracks, all these things. Okay, and just because of this product, you can multiply your profit revenue. Okay, because already if you are spending too much in paid advertising, still you are not getting some good results. So what is the meaning of spending that much money? Okay, just because of saving that money, not only for saving that money, even though it will increase your revenue. Okay, so you will save your money also, you will be in profit, you will start getting some profits. Okay, and just because of that, you can multiply your revenue. Okay, so this is too much essential product. Don't take it easily and don't take it lightly. Okay, don't underestimate this. Okay, this all things already tested. Okay, and you can easily go ahead with this. So I'm done from my side. This is my page. You can go through the link below and you can go ahead with this. You can try, you can read each and everything. You can just connect with support and all. If you don't like this, later you can deal with them. Okay, so I'm done from my side. We will meet in the next one. Till then, bye.